I am Dr. Shankar from School of Management, University Science Malaysia. Task 4: Assess Industry Market Potential. A quick introduction. The firm estimates the most likely share of sales that can be achieved in each target country, including consideration of market entry barriers. Firms should develop a 3 to 5 year forecast of industry sales. Assess industry market potential in each market by examining such criteria as follows: size and growth rate of the market and industry trends, tariff and non tariff trade barriers to market entry, standards and regulations that affect the industry, availability and sophistication of distribution, unique customer requirements and preferences, industry specific market potential indicators. Example of industry specific indicators, for example, like cameras, examine climate related factors such as the average number of sunny days in a typical year. Laboratory equipment, for example, examine government expenditures on health care. Cooling equipment, for example, examine the number of institutional buyers, such as restaurants and hotels, the demand for cooling equipment. Methods for estimating industry market potential. Simple trend analysis, which is very important to examine aggregate production for the industry as a whole. Monitoring key industry specific indicators involves examining unique industry drivers or market demand. Monitoring key competitors to estimate the sales levels can provide an estimation of market potential. So, in summary, we look at the simple trend analysis of production in the industry and also understand the key specific indicators such as key drivers of market demand, and finally looking at the number of competitors. And in addition to that, following key customers around the world can provide an estimate of likely sales in an industry that the firm supplies. Tapping into supply networks can offer valuable information for assessing sales and competitor activity in the whole value supply chain. Attending international trade fairs facilitate learning about market characteristics and sales potential. Trade fairs are very critical in the electronics industry where countries like the US, Japan, South Korea like to have their trade fairs for their products. Industry market potential like EV car. Market potential differs by region. China, largest EV market with strong manufacturing capabilities and extensive charging infrastructure. Europe, driven by emissions regulations and government support. United States, growth supported by investments in domestic manufacturing and charging networks. Southeast Asia, emerging market with increasing government incentives and local production. India, high long-term potential, especially for two-wheelers and affordable EVs. So these are the different industry evolution for EV car in different region. This table shows the list of sites for conducting industry specific research. It has the websites for WTO, World Bank, IMF, and many other important source for information if you want to find out about the industry potential at the world at large. Thank you for listening and see you again in the next video.